Okay, here's 6 reasons why ClickUp is perfect for you as a content creator to keep you organized and consistent. So you'll make a task for every piece of content that you will make. So for example, this piece of content is a task labeled 6 reasons why to use ClickUp. Okay, let's get straight on. Reason number 1, ClickUp is free. That's probably the best reason. And if you would like to upgrade your copy of ClickUp, then please consider using my affiliate link in the description. Reason number 2, calendars. ClickUp has calendars, so you can see when content will be posted. Plus, you can create ideas or content directly in the calendar, making it super easy to plan all your content. Number 3, subtasks. For every piece of content, you can create subtasks, so you know what to do next and plan individual tasks for all your available time. Number 4, documents. ClickUp has built-in documents, so you can store your script or any ideas with your content or task. No more swapping software, everything is in the same place. Number 5, statuses. These allow you to assign statuses so you know at what level every piece of content or task is at. For example, I use the following statuses: idea, when it's just an idea, nothing else; in progress, when I'm working on it and started to write the script, for example; ready, when it's ready to post; scheduled, when it's scheduled to post; and finally, when it's all been done and shared with the internet. Number 5, completed. And finally, number 6, checklists. These allow me to have the same checklist with every piece of content I'm producing. They are there to remind me what to do, because at my age, my memory ain't that good. For example, the checklist reminds me to add hashtags to make a SEO description. And finally, to check engagement once the post has gone live. And so that's 6 reasons why you as a content creator should start using ClickUp. Check out my YouTube channel for more tutorials to help you become more consistent and organized. Go and download it.